In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect from Google Drive in OneDrive. If you previously connected Google Drive to OneDrive to import photos or files, disconnecting will stop any future imports while keeping your existing files safe. This process does not delete anything already copied into your OneDrive, and it won't remove files from your Google Drive. It simply removes the link between the two services. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser and heading to the home view. Make sure you're in the correct account where the Google Drive connection was set up. At the top right of the OneDrive page, look for the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click the gear to open the settings panel. Inside that panel, select settings again to open the full settings page. This takes you to the area where OneDrive manages preferences and connected services. From here, look for the option called Import Cloud Photos and Files. This section controls connections to other cloud providers, including Google Drive, and is where you can disconnect them. On the Cloud Import page, find the Google Drive card. To the right of it, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to reveal more actions for the Google Drive connection. Choose Disconnect from Google Drive. OneDrive will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you don't remove the connection by accident. Click Disconnect to finalize. After a moment, the connection will be removed. Any files previously imported into OneDrive will remain exactly where they are, and your Google Drive content won't be altered. The main change is that OneDrive will no longer have permission to pull new items from Google Drive. If you ever need to reconnect later, you can return to the same Import Cloud Photos and Files area and set up the connection again. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see Google Drive listed on the import page, it may already be disconnected or it was never connected in this account. Refresh the page if the option doesn't appear right away. Also, interface labels can vary slightly depending on updates, so look for wording that closely matches Import Cloud Photos and Files. Finally, remember that disconnecting here only affects OneDrive's link. If you want to manage broader app access to your Google account, that would be done separately in your Google account settings. That's it. You've successfully disconnected Google Drive from OneDrive, stopped future imports, and kept your existing files intact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.